I love yoga, but to say I'm a yoga master?
Nope.
Yeah, definitely not.
So I have been practicing yoga for about 10 years, and I have found that yoga and meditation, they just make me so much happier as a human. And lately, with all the craziness that's been going on in our world, they've definitely been a must for me. All of our local yoga studios have been closed because of the coronavirus, so I have been practicing yoga a lot more at home. And the funny thing is, when we built our house, we thought about creating a dedicated exercise room with a little yoga corner, but we didn't end up doing that. And now I'm glad that we didn't, because I'm learning how easy it is to transform just a common area of your house into a great place to do yoga. This video is sponsored by Amazon. I'm going to be using Alexa to turn our great room into an automated yoga studio. And I'm excited about this automation, you guys. I'm hoping that maybe it will remove one of those barriers to get me closer to my me time. We'll see. Hopefully I can get more yoga time in. That's the goal. Let's do this.
This room is a space we use for so many different things. It took us forever to decorate because it's a really important space to us. I really like the way it looks now, but it's definitely still a work in progress. I think we'll always be shifting and tweaking things in here, which is kind of the fun of it, right? We've talked about a lot of these details in past videos, but the structure of our house is inspired by English architecture, and we've incorporated a lot of mid-century modern aspects through the lighting and furniture in here. The layout of the room has worked well. We thought about putting a coffee table in the middle to fill up the dead space between our couches, but because our kids play so much in this common space, we ended up not doing that. We use this room for entertaining when people come over, but on a daily basis, honestly, our kids are usually dancing around and running around in here. Shaye even sometimes uses this space to exercise. It's really the center of our home.
Are you in the world of make-believe and magic?
Now I'm going to get this Alexa routine all set up for yoga time. First, I'm connecting our Philips Hue lights to Alexa. We've featured these lights on a lot of past videos, and they really affect the ambiance of the space so much. I'm excited to put them to use for relaxation purposes because they're usually all lit up to our kids' favorite music blasting, and yeah, not exactly my idea of relaxing. Next, I'm going to set up our Amazon Smart Plug. This is super easy to do. For my purposes, I'm using the Smart Plug to sync my diffuser to Alexa. I don't use my essential oil collection like I should, and I think that's because it's kind of a hassle to get everything out sometimes, so I like the idea of having the diffuser all loaded and ready to go. For my yoga practice, I'm adding a few drops of lavender, bergamot, and clary sage. This will produce a relaxing but invigorating blend for my practice. I'm also setting up Alexa to play some relaxing yoga music. For me, music is a huge part of enjoying yoga. All right, I think I'm all set for my yoga practice. Now it's time to get the kids in bed. I'm exhausted, so I think it will be helpful to have this all automated. Less prep and more zen, which sounds like a great deal to me.
Did you hear that?
The sound of sleeping children.
I think they're finally asleep. I'm excited to try this. You ready for this?
I'm ready.
Okay. Alexa, it's yoga time.
The station, Meditation, on Amazon Music.
I have to say, it is pretty nice just to give Alexa a command and have everything automate. When it comes to my yoga practice, I honestly keep things pretty simple. I like vinyasa yoga a lot, though I have tried several other types of practices as well. For me, it's just about clearing my mind and getting my breathing under control. I love that yoga isn't about excelling at it. It's really just about being present and expressing awareness through my body. I linked in the description where you can find the details about the specific sun salutation yoga flow. I find it really soothing. At the end of my practice, I love to go into Shavasana. It's my favorite. And on the days I don't have time to maybe fit in a whole yoga practice, I love to meditate. And there are so many great resources out there for meditation, and I linked my favorite. It's a podcast called Mindfulness Plus. It's free and the episodes are short. They combine mindfulness with self-development, which I'm all about.
All right, so namaste, you guys. So we are actually on vacation, and with all these beautiful surroundings, it reminded me of some books I would love to share with you along this same topic of yoga and meditation and mindfulness. Periodically, I like to offer book recommendations because reading is something that I just love and enriches my life a lot. So some of my favorite books: Loving What Is by Byron Katie. Love that book. The Untethered Soul by Michael Singer. And I love Eckhart Tolle's books, The Power of Now and A New Earth. And I don't think any of these books are new, but they're kind of new to me. Those are definitely must-reads on this topic. Thanks again to Amazon for sponsoring this video. Alexa was awesome for automating our great room. Super excited to use that. So I have a question for you guys. When it comes to yoga, meditation, mindfulness, what are your go-to resources? What resonates with you and has been helpful to you? I would love to hear about your experiences. And I'm so excited to show you guys more of this beautiful place that we're visiting. We're going to be making a really awesome video for you about it. So stay tuned for that. And thanks so much for joining us. We will see you on the next one. Take care, you guys.
Goodbye.